Hello friends, we all know 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 3 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Or any number like x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. It's very surprising. Any number whose power is 0 value is 1. Let's see how it comes. As we all know that 3 raised to power 1 is equal to 3. 3 square is equal to 9. 3 cube is equal to 27. 3 raised to power 4 is equal to 81. Here we observe that as we move downward, we increase the values by multiplying with 3 in right hand side and power increased by 1 in left hand side. Nine multiplied by 3, we get 27. And 3 raised to power 2 power plus 1, we get 3 raised to power 3. We repeat the step. 27 multiplied by 3, we get 81. And 3 raised to power 3 increase the power plus 1, we get 3 raised to power 4. As we move upward, we decrease the values by dividing with 3 in right hand side and decrease the power with 1 in left hand side. "27 divided by 3, we get 9 and 3 raised to power 3 power subtracted by 1, we get 3 raised to power 2. Also 9 divided by 3, we get 3 and power decreased by 1, we get 3 raised to power 1. As we proceed the step, 3 divided by 3, we get 1 and power decreased by 1, we get 3 raised to power 0. Here we have 3 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. We repeat this step with other numbers like 5 raised to power 0 is equal to 1, 9 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Hence we understood that any number whose power is 0 value is 1. That is a raised to power 0 is equal to 1, where a is any number. Let's understand about one more fact. Any number, let it be x, divided by 0 is undefined. To prove this, let's take an example. 12 divided by 4. We solve it in by repeating subtraction. We subtract 4 from 12 until we get a number less than 4 or a 0. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Again we subtract 4 minus 4 is 0. We get 0 in 3 steps. Step 1, step 2 and step 3. It means 3 is our quotient, that is 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Let's take one more example. 22 divided by 5. We also do it by repeating subtraction. 22 minus 5 is 17. 17 minus 5 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now we can't subtract 5 from 2 because 2 is less than 5. What about 2? 2 is our remainder. To get a number 2 which are less than 5, we repeat the steps 4 times. First step, second step, third step and fourth step. It means 4 is our quotient, that is 22 divided by 5 is equal to 4, which is quotient, and 2 is our remainder. One more example. 2 divided by 0. We solve it by same method, repeating subtraction. 2 minus 0 is 2. Again 0 subtract from 2, we get 2. If we repeat this step again and again and again, we always get a number, that is 2, which is never less than 0. It means if 2 divided by 0, we never get a defined number which is less than 0 or is equal to 0. Hence 2 divided by 0 is undefined. So, well done. Now we understood that any number, let it be x, divided by 0 is undefined.